So here I have a paper shredder, Armor ID-C505PZ, and when you plug it in, it doesn't turn on at all. So I'll be taking it apart. We'll see what else we got in here. Yep, same thing here. Okay, we got the screws out. I guess this could be used for shredding IDs and stuff and paper. Honestly, I just burn stuff. Put it in the fire. I guess you can't really burn plastic stuff, but oh, there's one more screw way down in there. There we go. Nice. Opens up from the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna shredder. We have a motor, we have gears here, so the electrical part. Oop. It's right here. Probably has a fuse or something, my guess. Looks like there's no fuse. We have some capacitors. Switch. Middle's off. Okay, let's check out these diodes. Diodes are fine. Capacitors. Very interesting. Okay, we have a resistor here. Let's check out that resistor. $10K, which is fine. We have the other resistor here. Let's check it out. 27. Looks fine. So, could be a switch or something. So, voltage goes here and here. So I'm going to be testing the voltage coming in. See if we're getting voltage. Measuring 120 volts. Okay. So I'm able to get the motor going. I think it was just this switch on the side. There's a little reason. There's this little relay switch. I think it has to be on. So I think it's fine. I think the switch wasn't on proper. So we attach the switch. So basically there are some gears here, and it has this top switch. I guess that's a safety feature that if it's open it won't turn on unless that's on. But it has some gears basically, and the motor. You see, when this case goes in, this switch wasn't getting switched. Because it looks like this frame's a little bit flexible, or the screws weren't on correctly. Very interesting. It looks like it has a little safety pin here that you need to have something there. I don't know why, but the switch is right there, and that needs to be pushed down. I don't know if this goes into something and you have to push it in for it to work. I guess temporarily I can just tape it down. That's interesting. I don't know. I guess we'll just put something in there after. Let's put the screws back in. So I screwed it back in, and nothing works, right? That's what it appears. It's because at the back there's a tiny switch, a relay switch there. It has a little crack. I don't know if something has to go in there.